Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Coinbase on your iPhone. First, download the Coinbase app from the Apple App Store. Once installed, open it and begin creating your account. You will need to provide an email address and create a strong, unique password. Next, complete the essential identity verification process. This typically involves uploading a photo of your government-issued ID and taking a quick selfie to confirm your identity, ensuring your account is secure and compliant. Once your account is set up, the next step is to add funds. Navigate to the Add Cash or Link a Payment Method section. You can link a bank account via instant verification or add a debit card for quicker deposits. Select your preferred method, enter the amount you wish to deposit, perhaps $50, and then review the transaction. Confirm the details, and your funds will be available in your Coinbase wallet, ready for trading. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Tap the Buy or Sell button, then choose the asset you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to trade, for example, $100 worth of Bitcoin. The app will show you a preview of your order, including any fees. Carefully review these details, then confirm your purchase or sale with a simple tap, completing your trade. Finally, managing your portfolio and ensuring security are crucial. The main dashboard provides an overview of your assets and their performance. You can easily send cryptocurrencies to other wallets or receive them using your unique wallet address or a QR code. For maximum security, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a second verification step, like a code from an authenticator app, for all logins and transactions, keeping your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.